Hello everyone on YouTube, it's that clock guy 432, and earlier today I actually heard my mantel clock. I was in my living room and I heard it chiming, and I was like, that clock doesn't sound right. It sounds lower than what it should be. So y'all are gonna get to hear it, and I don't know, it might chime normal, but then again, it might chime regular, it might chime at that low pitch, but y'all be able to hear it. It almost kind of sounds like a Howard Miller because of the notes it's playing now at a lower pitch. Here, I'll turn the fan off so you can hear it. And turn this one off. Just get a load of this. The ticking still works. And then, yeah, just wait for it. Here, I'll back out a little bit. You can hear the ticking. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, you can hear the ticking. It's still ticking. I think the chime might need a battery replacement, but y'all will be able to hear it. Just wait for it. It'll go off. It's almost 2 o'clock. So it should be on the 2, it should be on the 12. So, yeah, it should start chiming. Maybe not. Looks like a little mechanism that allows it to chime. Like I said, the ticking, there it goes. Like it literally sounds like the Howard Miller and the really tall Emperor clocks. And some of your Ridgeways. Yeah, I think what it is, yeah, it's chiming at a low pitch, but I think that's because the clock is due for a battery change. But there it is. Thank you for watching.